Hey, over there at Manor II Electric, this is Daki from Master Flying Billboards. As I promised, I told you guys I'll be sending out this video to you, so I'm not going to keep you guys long. I'm going to get straight to the point. So what I'm going to be doing today is giving you guys 3 tips and tricks that you can use today and implement yourselves to beat out your competition and bring more customers to your website online. So the first of those things is going to be content. We're going to talk about citations. We're going to talk about backlinks. So the first of the thing is content, right? So content is basically anything that you see on your front page as far as text, right? Text, images, what these images may be saved as. So any videos, if you have any videos, what those videos may be saved as. So Google typically wants to see about around 1,500 words of content on you guys' front page. So if you see we put you guys into this counter, you guys have 198 words on your front page. So you just want to go out there and get much more than that. And once you're able to do that, you're going to start beating out MDC Electrical Contractors. As you can see, they don't have much as well. This is a software I like to use called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see the organic keywords that you guys are ranking for. Now, the significance of that content is because you want to get found for keywords. So keywords are basically key terms or phrases that people search in Google every single month to find services like yours. So if we're going into the software and we look up to it, we see that you guys are this is your Manor Electric, but you guys are in the 12th position for your brand name. You are really supposed to be in the first position for this, right? And all of these other ones. So an example of a keyword would be if we typed in Electrician Newark, New Jersey. You see that I'm telling you guys that there's no competition for this at all. So usually when you type into a keyword, and these are some keyword suggestions as well, right? You type into a keyword into Google search query, you'll see that there's some competition that comes up there. But as you can see, these are all directories. That means it tells me there's no competition. But if we was to, another way I was able to find these guys, I switched up the keywords a little bit. You will see that if we go into the back end of their keyword, their website, we see that they're being found for electrical contractor in Newark, New Jersey, right? And this brings them 20 searches. Electrician Newark, New Jersey, 150 searches, but they're in the 16th position. But they're in the first page of Google for this keyword right here. So if we was to type that in, and just to give you guys an example, right? You will see that these guys are going to come up, right? If we could find them, actually, right? MDC Electric, they're on the front page. So that's the good thing about this software that we use, that we're able to go in here to see what keywords that they're using, and we're able to take them and use them on your site and put those keywords in on your page. So the first tip would be to add that content. Like I said, Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page, and it's a good opportunity for you guys to give a good description about your business, on where is it that you do it, and what is it that you do generally. So it allows your audience to see that, and allows Google crawlers to know it, to be able to rank you wherever your service are being found. So and you want to be putting them by intent keywords. So that's it for content and keywords. So the second thing I want to talk about is citations. So citations are basically anywhere your name, address, phone number is listed throughout the web on directories such as Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. There's many more. There's hundreds of them. A software I use for that is called majestic.ca. So you want to go out there and probably find that software, and it allows you to put your competitors in and you in and see which ones they have, and you're able to take from them and see which ones they don't have, and just capitalize on that totally. Right, because you want to beat them out in every area. And once you have no citations, you're able to list in this section here. And this section is responsible for 44% of traffic that comes to any website on this front page. So that's very important, because Google, once you have no citations, Google rates you as being credible, and it builds your trust with them. So that's the way about going to get the citations. And once you have that, you're going to come in and beat these guys out. Right, so the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And as I said, this is a software I like to use called Ahrefs, and it also gives me their backlinks. Now you can see if we go ahead to you guys page, actually if this load a little bit quicker. Okay, we see that you guys have 44 backlinks, right? But they're beating you with organic traffic. They're getting 82 searches per month to their website because they're using these keywords. So what you want to go ahead and do, because you're already beating them with these backlinks, you're already beating them, but you only have 5 organic keywords, and none of these keywords are buyer intent. An example of buyer intent, like I say, we come in and see what keywords that they're ranking for, and this would be these keywords, right? And we just continue to narrow it down, but I touched on that topic. So to continue about backlinks is that you want to have relevant backlinks to your page. So the thing is about with any website, we're able to use this software, we're able to come in here and see what backlinks that they're ranking for, and that you don't have, and we're able to take these backlinks and use them for your site, because if they're able to rank their site, it's going to be easy to rank yours as well. So that's really all I have for you guys today. If you're able to implement that process, and the way I go about getting the backlinks is a software called majestic.com, right? So if you're able to implement that process, content with the keywords, buyer intent keywords, right, such as such as electrical contractor in North New Jersey, or many of those other keywords, then you'll start to get found for them. So this is some searches these are some keywords that I have for electricians that I work for with myself. So one would be, this would be excluded. So you automatically, you see that this gets about 600 searches, right? So let's just say that you're just starting off here, and you're ranking for all these keywords, and this is your absolute worst month, and you're only getting 5% of that. That's 30 extra calls that you guys can be missing out on. So it's very important to have them keywords. This number ranges from 0 to 100. This green means that it's going to be, you're going to rank for them lightning fast. So it's very important. Also, you guys want to, like, lastly, get the backlinks. Basically, there are other websites that's pointing back to your website that passes it power. And you want to make sure they're relevant websites, such as other electrical companies and other companies within your industry. And you'll start to increase this number that you guys see here. And you'll start to beat out these guys, MDC Contractors in North New Jersey. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope you all the best. Thank you.